Hey friends, if you're doing keto or thinking about starting, this one simple habit can completely change your game. It's not another meal plan, supplement, or workout. It's a visual reminder. And today I'm going to share exactly how creating a daily visual of your goals can keep you motivated, focused, and consistent on your ketogenic journey. Point number 1, visuals keep your why front and center. Let's be real. Keto isn't always easy. There are days you're tired, tempted, and just plain over it. But when you create a visual that represents why you're doing this, whether it's to lose weight, gain energy, or reverse health issues, you bring your purpose into focus. Put that goal where you'll see it each and every day. A vision board, a sticky note on the fridge, or even your phone's wallpaper. When your brain sees it, it remembers your why. And when you remember your why, you're more likely to stay strong and consistent, even when cravings hit. Point number 2, progress charts reinforce the wins. Sometimes we forget how far we've come. That's where visual progress tracking comes in. A simple chart with pounds lost, inches shed, or non-scale victories like better sleep or looser jeans keeps you focused on what is working for you. Each time you mark a new win, you release a little dopamine. That hit of accomplishment helps you to stay motivated about the process. You're literally rewiring your brain to associate keto with success. Point number 3, visual cues trigger better choices. Here's the magic part. Visual reminders act as behavioral triggers. A note on the pantry that says, "This snack won't get you closer to your goal," might be the one thing that stops you from grabbing the wrong food. A photo of your goal outfit next to your mirror reminds you, hey, you're on your way. We make hundreds of micro decisions each and every day. Visual cues influence those decisions, often without us even realizing it. They give you a second to pause, reflect, and make a choice that supports your future self. So here's my challenge to each and every one of you today. Create a visual reminder of your keto goals. It doesn't have to be fancy. Just make it yours and put it where it matters. If this helped you, be sure to like, subscribe, and comment below. What's one goal you're working towards right now? I'd love to hear about it. See you in the next video.